Introducing the new GRT MINIVM, a powerful 3-phase vertical O.E.M unit, developed and produced by Rasor. Designed to cut a wide range of textiles and flexible elastomers up to 25 mm thick, the GRT MINIVM offers incomparable power and is exceptionally user-friendly. The GRT MINIVM is designed with safety and ease of use in mind. The upright design allows installation in confined spaces, and it can be used for cross, endless and stripe cutting. It will be the ideal choice for a wide range of your cutting applications. The motor housing is held by a central foot fitted behind the blade in central position. This system allows the pressure to spread and guide the machine through the fabrics on both sides of the blade. Featuring a finger protection and a semi-automatic sharpening system, blade reconditioning is done in less than 10 seconds without the need for blade disassembly. The special flange allows to install the unit in different ways. The knife is half-free on both sides to avoid winding problems even with tough fibers. The GRT MINIVM industrial 3-phase motor, in combination with extra-strong steel brass gears, guarantee low maintenance and exceptional durability. The new gears reach up to 550 RPM, and cutting is smooth and flawless. The GRT MINIVM can cut a wide range of materials, including classic fabrics, the latest hybrid weavings, and many others. The GRT MINIVM is delivered with an extra blade and essential accessories. A CE declaration is included together with a QR code for convenient technical documentation download. 3D model files are available on request. For safety reasons, the use of a steel protection glove is mandatory. Contact us for further information. Experience the future of cutting technology with Rasor.